Hello everyone! It has been a long time since I did a hair tutorial, and my Korean style bun video has become one of my most popular videos, and I thought it would only be fair to give an option to my shorter hair ladies. So today you will need a hair donut, preferably one that is on the smaller side, a hair tie, U-pins, and bobby pins or butterfly clips. So for the first hairstyle, which is the messy bun, you're going to start by putting your hair up in a ponytail. And I don't use a brush for this step because we aren't going for a perfect ballet bun, rather just a loose, casual updo. Now you're going to slip your donut down onto the base of your ponytail and spread your hair around it somewhat evenly. And if you have trouble keeping your hair down during this step, you can use an additional hair tie. But if you're okay with a slightly messier outcome, you can just use your hands like me. Next, you're going to start wrapping your hair around the donut, and the key to keeping all your short locks relatively in place is to slightly twist as you tuck your hair into the donut. If you have layered hair, you'll end up with some pieces sticking out, but don't worry, we're going to secure them a little later. To secure the bun, take about 3 to 4 U-pins and stick them around your bun. I found that sticking your pins in a triangle formation is a good way to keep your hair secure. You can add a 4th one on the top or bottom of your bun for extra security. So if you have short hair, you're going to have short pieces on the under layers. So for these, you won't be able to drag them up onto your bun unless you're doing a very low bun. So for these pieces, I just like to twist them and secure them up with a butterfly clip or bobby pins. Alright, so now we are finished securing our bun, and the final step is to just make it as loose and messy as you want. So I just gently tug, and now you transformed your short to medium length hair into a nice casual bun. So this next style is one of my favorites for any kind of fancy, special occasion, or party, and it's a great way to trick people into thinking you have longer hair than you really do. So you're going to start off by grabbing a section of hair from the very top of your root. Try to grab it from the center so that you have an even French braid going down. Next, you're going to start off by doing a regular braid, just crossing one strand over the other with your hair split into 3 sections. And then after you have one cycle of a normal braid, you're going to add onto each side to create a French braid. The key to getting a clean and nice French braid when you're doing it yourself is to feel around your head to make sure there's no bumps every time you add a section. So you can see that I'm always patting my head to make sure everything feels very flat. This is my way of knowing that everything is looking smooth and good from behind. This hairstyle can get a little bit tricky for people with short hair because we don't have long locks to grab onto. So the key is adding little by little and kind of seeing where your hair is going to be able to come into the braid. So you won't want to add any sections that are further below until you get to the lower point. And once you reach the end, you're going to give it a slight twist just to secure your hair before putting it into a little ponytail. And then you can see that I'm creating a little opening by slightly spreading my hair on the bottom. And then you're going to tuck your little ponytail into the hole that you just created. To keep it from falling out, just stick in 2 U-pins in a cross motion and your hair will be good to go for the entire night. I hope you enjoyed these 2 hairstyles. Let me know how they went for you in the comments below. Remember to hit subscribe and the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!